Let's go on to some advanced ad options. So, first one I'll talk about is smart content. I left this to later because I love smart content, Ian, but almost none of our clients use smart content, or it's very
Correct.
rare. They
Yeah.
use it occasionally. It's one of those amazing features in HubSpot that's great in demos, but I see
Yes.
hardly ever out in the wild. But if you are using smart content, you can switch out content based on ads. So we've got a few examples where you can set up smart rules. So based on the ad source, for example, got an example here of the HubShots Daily Tip as one of our campaigns. We can actually switch out content to highlight that. So I'll leave it at that. Is there anything else you wanted to mention about smart content, Ian?
Actually, I do.
Mm.
One of the things you can do with smart content, especially if you're doing sort of location based things, I would encourage you can have one landing page, but you could change the title with smart content based on the location or the ad group or the campaign or ad group that's sending the traffic,
Mm.
and put the location name in there. And it's a great way to make it more relevant to the person that's clicking through.
Excellent point. All right. Also, the campaigns tool. What am I talking about with campaigns? This is the HubSpot campaigns tool. I know the word campaign is often confusing. We've got HubSpot campaigns that include ad campaigns from the different platforms. But the HubSpot campaigns tool is wonderful because it's a place where it pulls together all the assets related to a campaign and can highlight performance and attribution of each. Adding in an ad campaign to the specific HubSpot campaign it's related to is just part of seeing that attribution come
Yes.
through.
Now, I do want to highlight to people sometimes people use the same campaign but may put in a separate ad group or campaign group. And then they try to select it and add it into the campaigns tool. And they're like, oh no, it's not letting me go down to the ad group level. And it's not going to. So make sure when you're setting up your campaigns that you set them up correctly so you can associate, A, name them correctly, and B, so once you've done that, you can actually find them and associate them inside HubSpot appropriately. So that has got me a few times, Craig.
That's a good tip. We should have put that in the gotchas, which we'll get to shortly. We've talked about notifications. I really like that you can include those contact properties, for example, the original source or the latest source in emails that you might send out to the team when a new contact comes in.